All right, so this is how you throw a cross. Again, if you are a right-handed fighter, cross is whatever the power hand is, the backhand. So that's my right hand. Lefty, that's the opposite. It's your left, okay? We're going to stand in the right fight, or what is it called? Orthodox? Oh. Let's start that again.
Move over just a tiny bit.
Okay. All right, guys, so now we're going to work on the cross. So if you're a righty, that's your right hand. If you're a lefty, that's your left hand. That's the power shot. So the cross is always a straight punch. Just like a jab, cross comes straight out. All I'm doing is turning my thumb the same way I did with the jab. Look at it, the shoulder works the same. And I turn that back foot at the same time. So if you watch Coach Henry facing me, when he throws, just throw it and hold it. Notice that he has rotation in that back foot. He's not leaning forward. That's, remember, especially with that jab, creates the wall, right? So he has that same wall. And as soon as he hits, he's just going to come right back to the same position he was just in. So if he did it slow, pop, come back. Now quick, pop, come back. It's that nice pop we want to whip. So in the rhythm, you're always going to do it again on the forward motion of the rhythm. Wow. And we're turning. We're with the jab, we step. With the cross, we turn, okay? On the bag, it looks like this. Go ahead. Time. That's how you throw a cross.